Hey all, how have you been? Winters are cold, very cold, isn't it? However, we all feel and say that winters are very cozy and warm. Have you realized why this cold and chilly weather gives such a warm and cozy feeling? Because that's how we make it. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you all few tips for cozy winter preparations. Well, winters are not that cold here in UAE. When you open up your wardrobe and take out woolens for winter, check the inventory of all the woolies if anything need to be bought or decluttered. Also check the size and quantity both and then make buying decision accordingly. I also check that everything is still in a good condition or not. If not, fix it in advance. Now I am keeping them all in sunlight for a good amount of time to avoid any odor or smell since they were packed for a long time. I have been seeing this practice happening in all the families since childhood. Preparing our beds for winter by adding a touch of sophistication to our beds is also an important part of welcoming winter and making them cozy. Don't forget to air dry them in sun if they were also packed for a long time in storage. We can change the fabric of bedding collection, like changing the cotton bath sheets to woolly one, replacing the fleece blanket to a woolen one, or a comforter. This arrangement will be very helpful to keep yourself warm and comfortable during winter. Even if someone has very oily skin, but in winters everyone feels some dryness on their skin. We definitely remember to moisturize our skin after bathing, but we tend to forget hydrating our skin every time we wash our hands. Hence, to avoid such practice, I am keeping a sachet of hand cream in my washroom next to my hand wash only, so that whenever I wash my hands, I don't forget to moisturize them well. With the same intention, I am placing another sachet of hand cream here in my kitchen also, as we work a lot here and usually forget to hydrate our hands. Even if someone is a big coffee lover, but I'm sure in winters Everyone wants that kadak chai, adrak wali chai, right? So always have a stock of some good teas in your kitchen to warm you up in this chilled season. I have ordered the loose tea and tea bags both with ginger flavor. You know, that winter specialty? Actually, I like to have tea with and without milk both. That's why I used to buy the tea bags also. And coincidentally, this time I'm running out of all type of teas in my pantry. So you can see a lot of packets here. I like to drink green tea also, so I have ordered this one also with ginger flavor. Um, I think it should be displayed over here on countertop. Soaking up the sun and enjoying the tea. Totally a winter thing. Winters can make us feel bit lethargic or lazy, hence, it's also very important to make ourselves warm and super active in this cold weather. Eating healthy, walking, doing all chores without any delay, having a nice cup of tea, making some outing plans with friends. These are some of the ideas can definitely help us stay active during the winter season. Like you can see here, I am constantly arranging the things at place and my sparrow is super busy in playing. But me being me, organizing again and again. Don't give up. Stay active. In winters, we like to spend more time in bedroom as compared to the living room. Perhaps we give more attention to our beds to sophisticate them and not to the couch in living area. Hence, here on my couch, I am adding some cozy charm by draping this neutral color through. In addition to that, I am placing a storage basket near to the sofa and displaying the other one over here. Just like our bedroom, Living room space also needs to be made warm, cozy, and comfortable while watching TV, reading, having tea or coffee, or doing anything. So, whenever you feel cold feet, here is the perfect and stylish solution to cozy up on a chilly winter evenings with your tea or coffee on your couch. Here I am prepping my pantry for winter snacks. Peanuts, gajak, rabri. These are some of the best snacks to munch in winter to warm up. Peanuts are so nutty and crunchy, as well as a very healthy and tasty appetizer. I always have a good stock of them in my pantry. Eating peanuts, kajak, rabri in winter has become a ritual for me, and I think yours too. Believe me, sitting with family or friends, doing some chit chat, and peeling and eating the roasted peanuts make the winter even more cozier. I will take a leave now and see you all next week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe Abode Diaries. Happy winter!